Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this analysis quite a few times in the past, but I think it's been about a week since the last update I did. But now as we head into the weekend, I just wanted to kind of check back in and get some things updated here. So first thing to note is that overall, the chart is still perfectly fine. I mean, I fully realize that this sort of price action right here is not nearly as exciting and, as fun as, making big movements up like this. But when you got to stop and, just keep things in a perspective. Where is this sideways action happening here? I'm not trying to insult anybody's intelligence, but, it's higher than where it was back down here during, this sideways action. It's higher than this sideways action right here. So the point being, from the big picture perspective, the bulls are still working on building that higher base, and that's the name of the game. Higher bases allow for overall uptrends to be constructed, and assuming you're bullish and, looking at things from the long perspective, that's what you want to see. So really, I want to do a little house cleaning here. Yeah, that green line there still pertains, but like I said, in the spirit of just kind of keeping this as clean as possible from a presentation standpoint, the very easy way and kind of black and white way to look at things is just keep an eye on that pink line right there. That is the famous 200 period simple moving average. And even if you just have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you understand and realize that when the price is above it, then you want to see the price stay above it. And it's not even threatened of getting tested or anything. I'm just saying that, taking a step back and looking at the big picture, that, pink line serves as more so the overall trend line. And again, overall, if the price is above that moving average, that implies that as time is going by, the price continues to put in the higher lows. In regards to levels of resistance, nothing new here to report. I mean, the last time I did a video, talked right around, about this red line right there, which $1.10, give or take a couple pennies, and you can see right here that just continues to act as resistance. So for whatever reason, there's sellers just hanging up right here around this area of the chart. Not saying it can't be broken, but as the past history has suggested, apparently the bulls really are going to have to bring their A game to fight through there. But all in all, overall chart's still fine, and as long as the price continues to build those higher bases, that is certainly the name of the game. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.